Today we are going to talk about Cramer's rule. The Cramer's rule is used to solve linear equations like this: a1x, b1y, c1, a2x plus b2y equals to c2. And this is the rule by solving linear equations using determinants. Okay, here you can see two linear equations. To solve linear equations by this method, we write the coefficient of x, coefficient of y, and constant in three columns like a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Here this is first column, this is second column, and this is third column. Like I have written here D, the determinant of first and second column, a1, b1, a2, b2. D1 is determinant of third and second column, 3, 2, c1, b1, c2, b2. And D2 is the determinant of first and third column. Here you need to understand the order of columns. So to understand the order of columns, I have used this formula. Look at this: 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3. So to understand this one, simply you can remember two numbers, 12 and 13. 12 and 13. 12 and 13 means determinant of first and second column, and 13 means determinant of first and third column. And in the middle, we will take this 3 from here and we'll write here, this 2 here and we'll write here, 3, 2. The D1 or the second determinant is the determinant of third column and second column. So simply 12. 12 means first and second, a1, b1, a2, b2. And the determinant is a1, b2 minus a2, b1. And d1 is 3, 2. Means c1, c2, third column, c1, c2, b1, b2, second column. And it is b2, c1 minus b1, c2. And d2 is the third determinant, and that means here you can see 1, 3, determinant of first and third column, that is a1, c1, a2, c2. That means a1, c2 minus a2, c1. So after getting these three determinants, by Cramer's rule, we have simple formula to calculate values of x and y, and that is x equals to d1 by d and y equals to d2 by d. Okay, after this illustration, I think you have understood how to solve linear equations. Now we solve one question by using this method. 3x minus 2y equals to 1 minus x plus 4y equals to 3. So to use this method, first of all, the equations must be in standard form, that is ax plus by equals to c. That means the variables must be in LHS and the constant must be in RHS, whatever be their coefficients. It doesn't matter, either fraction or negative numbers. Okay, here we find. We write coefficient of x, coefficient of y, and the constant. Here coefficient of x is 3, y is minus 2, constant is 1. And second, the coefficient of x is minus 1, y is 4, and the constant is 3. Now as I said, D is 1, 2. Determinant of first and second column, that is 3 minus 2 minus 1, 4. So this is 3 into 4, 12 minus 1 into 2, 2, and this gives you 10. D1 is 3, 2, determinant of third and second. That means 1, 3 minus 2, 4. And this equals to 4 into 4, 4 minus 3 into minus 2, minus 6 minus minus plus 6, and this is equals to 10. And D2, that is third determinant, it is 1, 3, you can see 12, 13, 32. Third 1, 3, second is minus 2, 4. So this equals to 4 into 1, 4, minus 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Minus minus plus 6, and it gives you 10. Now by Cramer's rule, x is equals to d1 by d. Like you can see in the formula, x is d1 by d, y is d2 by d. So d1 is 10, d2 is 10 and is equals to 1. And y equals to d2 by d, that is 10 by 10, and this equals to also 1. So therefore x equals to 1, y equals to 1. Okay, let's solve another question. X by 6 minus y equals to minus 6. 3x by 4 minus 1 equals to y. As you see in this equation, the coefficient of x is 1 by 6 and it is a little bit difficult to multiply 1 by 6. So in this case, we can take simply LCM. 6 x, its denominator is 1, so 6 by 1 is 6 and 6 into y is 6y equals to minus 6, or x minus 6y equals to minus 36. You can see it's in standard form. And here in this, x is in LHS and y is in RHS. We take y in LHS minus y, and we take minus y on that side, it's y. Now we take LCM for 3x minus 4y equals to 1. Now 3x minus 4y equals to 4. Now simply we write coefficient of x coefficient of y and constant. Here coefficient of x is 1, y is minus 6 and constant is minus 36. And this 3 minus 4 and 4. Now D is determinant of first and second column, that is 1 minus 6, 3 minus 4 equals to minus 4 into 1 is minus 4, 3 into minus 6 minus 18, minus minus plus 18 equals to 14. D1 is third and second, minus 36 minus 6, 4 minus 4. This equals to minus 36 into 4 plus 144 minus 4 into minus 6 minus 24. So minus minus plus 24 equals to 861, 168. And D2 equals to first and third, that is 1 minus 36, 3 and 4. This equals to 4 minus minus plus 36 into 3, 108 equals to 112. Now we have x equals to d1 by d, and this is 168 by 14. So you divide it, 14 1 times 14 and 4 2 28, 14 2 times 28. And y equals to d2 by d. So this is 112 by 14. So this gives you 8. So simply we got x equals to 12 and y equals to 8. Okay.
Go.
Okay. Now we can say the next question is 2 by x plus 5 by y equals to 30, 3 by x plus 6 by y equals to 27. In previous questions, x was in numerator, but here x is in denominator. It's like 2 into 1 by x plus 5 into 1 by y. In this case, the variable, we take 1 by x as variable. So we write coefficient of x. In place of x, we will write here 1 by x. Coefficient of y, in place of y, we will write 1 by y and constant. Now we write coefficients of 1 by x is 2, this is 5 and this is 30. And this one, 1 by x is 3, of 1 by y is 6 and this is 27. Now simply we have to find three determinants d, d1 and d2. Here like this. Here d equals to of first and second 2, 3, 5, 6. It is 6 2 times 12 minus 15 equals to minus 3. d1 equals to determinant of third and second columns, that is third and second, 30, 5, 27, 6. This equals to 36 into 30 into 6 is 180 minus 27 into 5 is 135, and it gives 180 minus 135 equals to 45. And d2 equals to determinant of first and third column, that is 2, 30, 3, 27. It gives you 2 into 27, 54, minus 30 into 3 is 90, and it gives you minus 36. So now by Cramer's rule we have x equals to d1 by d, that is 45 by minus 3. We used to write x equals to, but here in place of x we have 1 by x, so we will write 1 by x equals to this one, and 1 by x equals to minus 15, or minus 15x equals to 1. We did cross multiplication, therefore x equals to minus 1 by 15, and 1 by y equals to d2 by d. This is minus 36 by minus 3, or 1 by y equals to this divided by this is 12, or 12y equals to 1, and y equals to 1 by 12. Okay, simply by using determinants we found the value of x is minus 1 by 15 and y is 1 by 12. Again, in this method, if you got the first determinant, that is d, determinant of first column and second column is 0, like we find x equals to d1 by d. If you divide something by 0, it gives undetermined value, that is infinity. So in this case, if you got d equals to 0, you can simply leave the question by writing this: the system has no unique solution. You don't need to proceed after getting d equals to 0. Alright, here just you need to find three determinants. Here again I repeat: 1, 2, 1, 3, that is 12, 13. From the last you take 3 here, and from first you take 2 here, that is 12, 30 to 13. D, determinant of first two, d1 determinant of third and second, and d2 is determinant of first and third column. Okay, let's do this much for today. Okay, you stay tuned with our channel to get more videos for SEE on CMath and optional mathematics. Okay, please share and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.